Welcome to Million Men, where we creating men of value, men of worth, and men of means. So let's get into this video. Today we're gonna be talking about how I built my credit score. Now, initially, in the beginning, I did the right thing. I got a credit card, I was using it, and I was paying it down. I was doing what I was supposed to do. I got my credit up to 690. My credit was at 690. And I was like, all right, bet, I'm gonna be set. All I gotta do is stay on track. Then I did the thing that most of us men typically do. Got a girlfriend and start paying for things that I ain't have money paying. Look, I made the mistakes. But I'm gonna tell you how I rebuilt my credit from all the way. I believe it dropped down to low as about 500. And now we at 660, baby. 660. So that's 160 points. I'm gonna show you how I did it. First thing you gotta do, fellas. First thing first, you have to get credit. Scared money don't make money. You gotta get credit. And when I say you gotta get credit, that might mean for some of y'all, you gotta get secure credit. Secure credit means you have to put a deposit down to establish the credit line. So if anything, with that in simplest terms as possible, that means your 200 becomes the 200 credit. So in reality, they don't have to take the risk. This is what I had to do to build up my credit initially when I did everything I did to tear it down. Get credit. You have websites like My Jewelers Club. I'm gonna put all the links in the description. My Jewelers Club, I had to put $200 down, but it was a great resource for getting a high credit limit, $5,000 credit limit. And that allows you to acquire jewelry. So with this one, it's like a store credit. You can get jewelry and you have to pay half, but at the same time, you're building up your credit score. Things like this, get yourself some credit. I know people tell you, don't get credit cards, don't get credit cards. You gotta be responsible with credit cards. If you're responsible with the credit cards, they'll serve their purpose. And once they serve their purpose, you can have the credit score that you're looking for. Next thing I wanna tell you about is utilization. Utilization is an important part of building your credit score. Majority of your credit score comes from how you utilize the credit. So that means if you run up a credit card, you got a $500 credit card and it's $490. That means the creditors are letting everybody know this person spends all of their credit and they're not paying it back. So you want to keep your utilization below 30%. Key word in that sentence, below 30%. Below. So if you're keeping it below 30%, it's reporting that this creditor, you, is constantly utilizing a small limit of this credit. They're managing their credit well. So you want to keep utilization below 30%. Next one, make sure you pay it on time. My credit score was literally destroyed because I ran up the credit, utilized all of it. Buying bags, buying purses, buying shoes, doing all that stuff I'm telling you not to do. Don't do it. Do not miss a payment. Do not pay late. I'm telling you, even if you do, look, even if you say circumstances come up and you do not have the money to keep it below 30% at this time, at the very least, don't miss the payment. Do not miss the payment. If you miss a payment, all of a sudden you told everybody this person can't pay their bills, and that literally destroys your credit. I'm telling you, I had 3 credit cards. Them 3 credit cards said I was late. Yo, my credit score went from 690 to about 5. Dropped almost 100 points, and then it dropped another. Like, it was just dropping 50, 70 points at a time. I'm like, yo, I gotta pay these bills. Follow my lead. I built up my credit, and I'm still building it. I'm doing that by paying on time. Last one. There's many things you can do to build your credit, but I'm telling you what I did is I need you to take care of the derogatory marks. I need you to do something about those. Now, you have a number of things you could do to actually take care of them. You could settle, pay for deletion. Now, if you pay for deletion, paying for deletion might be your most expensive route. Because if you want to pay for deletion, you usually have to pay the entire cost of the bill from time to time. It depends on what you negotiate. So I need you to settle them. Me, I went the route of credit repair. If you can find out, look at your resources. I'm not talking about somebody on Instagram that all of a sudden popped up in your inbox and said, I can fix your credit in 30 days. Typically, credit repair don't happen in 30 days. The same way destroying it didn't happen in 30, so don't think you can rebuild it in 30. All right? So, you also have the route of credit repair. Find somebody that actually knows their stuff. They actually know their stuff. And they can go about helping you build your credit by settling your negative marks on your credit. Your derogatory marks. Maybe it's the eviction, maybe it's an unpaid bill, maybe it's a phone bill you ain't touched in about 3-4 years. It don't matter. I need you to take care of them things. If you don't take care of them, these derogatory marks, they pile up quick. You got 3-4 bills unpaid for a couple months. I know it's easy to just I'm gonna stop answering the phone. Listen, the moment you stop answering the phone, they let everybody know this person can't pay their bills. They send it to a collection agency. The collection agency say, oh, we got you. We're gonna ding that credit. And we're gonna keep dinging it for that first year. You don't answer the phone calls, ding, ding. Like, it's a jab, like they're catching you. I'm telling you, these are the things I did to build my credit up. Got some of them derogatory marks off my credit. Paid on time. Paid on time. Keep the utilization below 30%. When you're at that level, you might even keep it below 10, but that's a conversation for another day. Keep the utilization low. And you got to get your credit. I've been going through these steps myself, and they really helped look, January of this year, that was 12 months ago at this point. January of this year, I was at 500. In a year's time, I went up 160 points. I don't got no reason to lie to you. This is just another video from a million men that's trying to help increase the value, the worth, and the means in your life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hook a brother up. Hit him with a like. Throw a comment in there. Let me know you there. Let me know it's real. And I'll see you in the next one.